This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Imagine starting your morning with a meal so powerful that it fuels your brain, strengthens your heart, supports weight control, and keeps you full for hours. All from just two simple foods, avocado and eggs. But what actually happens inside your body when you combine them? Is it just another trendy breakfast, or a scientifically smart nutritional pairing? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we break down the real health impact of eating avocado and eggs together. Stay with us, because we also mentioned how to eat them for maximum health benefits. Let us first understand why this combination is special. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense natural foods available. They are rich in complete protein containing all essential amino acids, along with choline, crucial for brain and nerve function, vitamin B12 for nerve health, and lutein and zeaxanthin for eye protection. On the other side, avocados provide a completely different but complementary nutritional profile. They are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber that supports digestion and gut bacteria, potassium that helps regulate blood pressure, folate, and powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Together, they enhance how your body absorbs and uses nutrients. So, here's what happens in your body when you eat them daily. First, nutrient absorption increases significantly. Research suggests that eating eggs with healthy fats significantly improves carotenoid absorption. Avocados are rich in carotenoids like lutein, and egg yolks contain fats that help transport these nutrients through the intestinal wall. As a result, your body absorbs up to 2 to 4 times more antioxidants compared to eating them separately. This supports better eye protection and reduced oxidative stress. Next, your brain function gets a major boost. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, a nutrient many people lack. Choline helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory formation and faster neural communication. On the other hand, avocados contribute monounsaturated fats that improve blood flow to the brain and support neuron membrane integrity. Together, they create ideal conditions for cognitive performance. This is why this combo is often called a natural brain fuel meal. Next, your heart health improves. For years, people feared eggs because of cholesterol. Modern research shows dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol for most individuals. Avocados contain oleic acid, the same heart-friendly fat found in olive oil. This combination helps increase HDL, the good cholesterol, and reduce LDL oxidation. They also lower triglycerides and improve arterial flexibility. The net effect is lower cardiovascular strain and improved circulation. Next up, anti-inflammatory protection. Egg yolks contain antioxidants like lutein, whereas avocados contain polyphenols and vitamin E. These compounds neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammatory markers. Regular consumption supports long-term cellular protection. Now, here's how to eat them for maximum benefits. The ideal quantity for most healthy adults is 2 whole eggs and half to 1 medium avocado. This provides balanced protein, fats, and micronutrients without excess calories. To prepare, take 1 soft-boiled or poached egg, add raw or lightly mashed avocado. It preserves delicate nutrients and prevents oxidation of fats. Avoid deep frying as high heat damages healthy fats and creates inflammatory compounds. You may make avocado egg toast on whole grain bread, or eat scrambled eggs with fresh avocado slices. This combination is healthy for most people, but individuals with genetic cholesterol disorders should consult professionals before adding these to their daily diet. Also remember that balance matters. Eating this meal daily is healthy, but variety ensures broader nutrient coverage. Few natural meals deliver this level of metabolic efficiency in such a simple form. Small dietary decisions, repeated daily, shape long-term health outcomes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the Mindhunters for more science-backed nutrition and wellness insights. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.